As an experienced architect, you know the frustration. You spend weeks perfecting a highly technical floor plan only to present it to a client who simply cannot read it. Black and white CAD lines mean everything to an engineer, but to a client, they lack emotion, scale, and vision. This communication gap often leads to endless revisions, delayed approvals, and lost profits. That is exactly why the architectural team at Toscape AI developed the floor plan render tool. We built this feature to bridge the gap between technical precision and emotional client presentation. With Toscape AI, you are no longer just showing a drawing, you are selling a lifestyle. Simply upload your standard 2D blueprint into the platform and open our curated floor plan render library. You have instant access to a wide variety of stunning aesthetic profiles tailored for high-end presentations. Want to present a luxurious, sophisticated vibe? Select the Gilded Blueprint Signature. Looking for a bright, vibrant, and inviting feel? Choose the Luminous Estate Signature. With a single click, our advanced AI analyzes your technical lines and completely brings them to life. Watch as flat spaces are instantly populated with detailed, perfectly scaled furniture. Notice how realistic textures are flawlessly applied to your flooring, from rich hardwood to elegant natural marble. See how the outdoor spaces transform with vibrant landscaping, beautiful decking, and highly realistic water effects in the swimming pool. What does this mean for your business? Everything. When clients can instantly visualize and feel their future home, their hesitation disappears. Approvals happen in record time. You can command premium design fees for your presentations without spending hours in Photoshop or complex 3D software. A happy, amazed client is a decisive client. By turning technical layouts into breathtaking works of art, Toscape AI doesn't just save you time. It fundamentally increases your profit margins, elevates your firm's perceived value, and helps you multiply your wealth. Stop delivering boring blueprints. Deliver an unforgettable visual experience and transform your architectural business today with Toscape AI.